Hello everybody and welcome. And in today's video we'll be taking a look at custom inquiry, and that's found over here on the top right hand screen. You'll see the standard is loaded, and whenever I select an item it'll give me some basic information. The name, assembly name, position, all that. I can also change this to assembly and a variety of different items that have already been preset, but today instead I'll be making my own. I'll go this by going to the pencil mark, which opens up the Manage Contents menu. In here, I'll start off by saving my own. There we go, and save. Now that I've got my own custom inquiry, I'm going to say I'm not completely interested in all of this information. For example, quantity is nice to have, but we already have it down here at the bottom. That can go. Name, well, knowing what the name of the object is could be useful. I'll leave that in. As you saw earlier, even though this beam is selected, it does not give me the assembly name, so I'm going to remove that. Assembly position is useful. It's always good to know what your item is marked as, and I'll also be adding the part mark. So we'll go type part into the search bar, go to part position and add it. Let's go ahead and move the position up directly under the assembly. Next, I've got the top level of the item, so that'll tell me the top of wherever I am. In this case, I'd like the bottom as well, so I'm going to say bottom level. Add that. Now, after spending some time and coming up with a composition that you'd like,